Net unrealized appreciation, or NUA, is a tax strategy for employer stock held in a 401k. Let's look at how it works. NUA is the difference between what your employer's stock cost when it was bought and what it is worth when you withdraw it. When you use this strategy, you pay standard income tax only on the original cost basis of the shares. To qualify, you must move the stock in kind to a taxable account during a single tax year following a qualifying event like retiring. Thinking about retiring with company stock, you might be missing out on a massive tax break by choosing a standard IRA rollover instead of NUA. The main benefit is potentially moving the appreciation from ordinary income tax rates to lower long-term capital gains tax rates. Remember that this is a one-time, permanent election. Once you move the stock, you cannot change your mind, so planning is essential. Understanding complex tax rules can save you thousands. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics. See you next time.